I was actually born and raised in Fontana. I'm son of a steelworker, first graduating class at A.B. Miller High School. Our roots go deep in the city of Fontana. Doing good stuff for my community is something that wasn't ever about me, I guess. It's really about what I can do for other people. When my mom died, my grandmother actually said, "You're either gonna land up in jail, dead, or on drugs." That was the life they wrote for me. And that was my fire to want to make a change in my life. A lot of things we do as humans and as adults directly comes from what we lacked as young children. When I really come to terms of why I do what I do, it's because I'm trying to give those opportunities to people that weren't given to me.
I still go back to the first time I met Jesse, and I remember the date. It was November 5th, 2024. He came to me with the idea behind Sparks and the Spark program. And the whole idea behind it is that it's to give employment experience for our 11th and 12th grade students that are in foster care during the summertime. The first day I ever met him, he's very passionate towards what he does. And he's also got a heart for the people and also for the community as well, though. But I also think the other thing, too, about Jesse is that he listens. And I think that's a big reason why it's been so successful.
For me, it's how do I affect my community the most? Where's the biggest bang where I can go to the people and say, I've invested in you. And I believe in our children. Our children are the best investment we can do. And the Spark program is a great example of it. But the Spark program came from how we are going to deal with homelessness. It was our foster youth. We know that 1 out of 3 are going to be homeless. These kids don't have a fighting chance. It's our job to give them that fighting chance. We're going to find them the job of their dreams. We want them to dream big. We want them to think big, but they look at themselves as numbers. And for us, it was, you're not a number, you're a person, and we care about you.
We had one student from Fontana that just graduated in June. Now, the story about this young man, which was quite remarkable, is that, he was in foster care for a period of time. He was not only able to get full-time employment with the county, but he also was able to have a sustainable path. Had we not had Jesse or the Spark program, his life would have been a lot different. And so I think it's just being able to go out there and have somebody in there that really cares and makes a difference. That's all the difference.
I want them to know that they are their doctors, they are their lawyers, they are their contractors, they are their plumbers, because we have great people who are here being raised and taught, and they're being transplanted elsewhere because we need to be more effective here. And I want those kids to know, we're going to create a better life for you here. This is the place you want to be. And how do we encourage that? It's still yet to be seen, but we're working on it.